What's up, guys? So we keep solving a GRE math. So 57. Okay, so a settable input for certain rocket calculator is a finite sequence of character. Each one is either digit or sign, and the first character must be digit, and the last character must be digit. So we have digit or sign. And the rules is the first one need to be digit, and the last one must be digit, and nothing. And there are 10 digits and 4 signs. And ask about the how many of the number of acceptable sequence of having length k, and what is nk. So in the test that the easiest way for solving the recursion formula is we try to find the first few terms. Okay, so for n1, so n1 means that you only have one character. So the first character must be digit. So there are 10 times of 10 choice. Second, you have two characters, but the first one and the last one must be digit, so it's 100. Right, 10 square. And the third one, you have one kind of choice. There's 3 of this digit. So you have 1000. And another is digit, and the middle is sign. So because sign can only happen in the intermediate, so this is 400. So total is 1400. So from this perspective, we know that A is not correct. Okay, because A says that the N3 has 1000, but actually N3 is 1400. Okay, B is not correct, because B says that N2 has 140, but N2 only has 100. So actually C looks okay. And the D is not correct, because the N2 for D is wrong, and the E is not correct. The N2 for E is wrong. So the only answer is C. So in the test, the answer is C. So you can quickly find it. But can we prove this? So proof. Basically, if you have k digits, then the last one must be digit. So there are 2 possibilities. Okay, one possibility is that the last second one is also digit, and the last second one is the sign. So for this one, you have nk minus 1 times 10, because 10 comes from here. For this one, you have 4 times 10, and this one must be digit, because digit can combine sign and digit. This is the only way. So this is nk minus 2. So total nk has nk minus 1 times 10 times 40 plus 40 times nk minus 2. Okay, so we prove this. Simple. So the answer is C.